When we needed a new water filter for our GE refrigerator, I jumped on Amazon quickly to find which one had good reviews and was maybe a little more cost effective than buying it at a big box store, because they can be super expensive at the big box store. So I found this GLACIER Fresh brand that is compatible with our GE refrigerator for water filtration. And so I just got it. This is going to be my first time using this brand. So I'm actually kind of excited to see how I like it and how my water turns out. So let's unwrap it. It's very simple. It's going to simply be placed up in and twist in the machine. I did get the XWFE, and I have the GE Cafe series refrigerator. And it does tell you right on here which refrigerator it is compatible with, or which filter it is compatible that you can exchange it with. You know what I'm saying. So yeah, so it includes a chip in it, which is great because that will then tell us when it has expired and when we will need a new one. And then the other thing I really like is that it came with these little stickers. So we are currently in the month of July, so I'm about to change it out in my fridge. So I'm going to pull the July sticker and I am going to place it on the filter so that I will then know when I replaced my filter. And so we try to replace ours about every 3 months or so. So this will be helpful even before it expires, because I like to have some on hand before they expire. So yeah, I hope that this is helpful, and I hope that the water tastes just as good with this filter as it does with the higher priced GE filters.